Good afternoon, everyone. I'm from Group 1. My name is Bai Xiangsheng, and they are my partners, Hu Yiwei and Wang Xu. First of all, we see the table of contents. Our speech consists of three parts: introduction, composition, and function, meaning and characteristics. Our group discussed and studied the topic of Save the World and created a model. Firstly, we raised a question why we should save the world. Our group has chosen the research direction of water resources and learned about the importance of water resources to us, as well as the problems and situations we face today. Next, we will learn its importance of water is a well-known topic, which is an indispensable basic resource for human survival and production. It is also a key to the survival of human and all living materials. In today's social development, the scarcity and pollution of water resources has become the key factors affecting social development. Therefore, studying the true situation of water resources pollution and the main measures to slow the water environmental pollution in crude work is also a key topic related to the national economy and people's livelihoods. So the problem of water resource pollution is a very important and slowable issue to us. Now let's move on to the first part. On a clear day, solar panels absorb sunlight as a main source of energy for the entire machine, and the solar panels change the tail angle and direction based on the angle and position of the sun to achieve maximum efficiency and maximum absorption of sunlight, providing energy for the machine. There are two huge airbags around the machine, which can timely inhale and exhaust air according to change in the water level, thereby regulating the internal and external pressure of the machine, making it permanently float on the water surface and work better.
Hello everyone, there is a huge packet in the middle of the machine, which is creates combinations of the entrance machines and also the entrance for collecting garbage. When collecting garbage, the air pressures inside and outside is changed through the airbags on both sides, and the garbage is struck into the machines without the need of energy maintenance, thereby reducing the energy consumption. There are four lighting lights on the tops of the machines to prevent it from colliding with ships and at night and in feed weather, ensures the safety of the ships. The entrance machine itself is streamlined, which can manage restitutions is and better save the energy. There are galleries and grooves at the bottom and both sides of the machines, which can better prevent and decorations of travel from being affected by underwater objects during the driving, and collections decorations to ensure normal driving. Now we can see the internal split diagram of machines, which consist of four layers. The first layer is glass plates with springs control. When water flows into the garbage collection inlet, and large amounts of water flow in and under the pressure, The glass plate is pushed open. During the process, energy consumption is avoided, and it is completed by force. During the process, the water pipes on both sides discharge the fish and shrimp. Next, we moved on to the next follows layers, which are composed of a huge grid of steel plates, activated carbon, and sponge, and then discharged through the bottom pipeline. Sponge not only have a adaptation effect on fine dust, but also can reduce the filtrations spawned of water flow, making it more thoroughly and correctly filtered. Then we see the tools of this machine, which is mainly composed of a turbine that can control the directions of the machine's travel, increase speediness, and help it work.
Finally, the bottom structure of the entire machine is mainly composed of the heat dissipation system of the machine and is equipped with a drainage port to terminal discharge the accumulated water entering the hard dissipation port, and there is the protective net at the hard dissipation port to prevent fish and shrimp from entering and protect the internal structure of the machine. From the previous introduction, we can see the characteristics and the significance of this machine. Firstly, it can use solar energy to provide energy, reduce environment pollution and damage by using green energy, and collected solar energy with much stronger force than previous energy sources, which can greatly improve the work efficiency of the machine. Secondly, many structures of the machine do not require energy to maintain, such as the operation of spring glass panels, garbage collecting port, and the working principle of airbagger, all of which rely on the pressure difference inside and outside the machine. It can save energy. Thirdly, this machine is the necessity for current and future development trends. It not only quality but also relieve the current shortage of human resources, reduce operation cost, and it is in line with current social development trend and processes. Firstly, the energy of this machine will definitely attract the utilization and production of the communication, stimulate research and development interest, and promote the development of the community. Firstly, it can stimulate everyone awareness of environment protection and promote environment optimization. Thank you for listening and wish you all a nice day.